Hi everyone. Hi Dubey. Hi Mehak. Hi Upender. Hi Devil. Hi everyone. How are you all? कैसे हैं आप लोग? Hi Niharika. Very good evening. Hi Anurag. A very good evening. How are you? How are you all guys? You are also fine? Okay. Hi Mehak. A very good evening. Fine Anurag. Great. Hi Prem. Yes, I do remember you Prem. I am also good, Devil. Fine, Upender. I am also good, Upender. Hi, Afia. How are you? Yes, tell me quickly, Mehak. What's the good news? Hi, Geet. I am all good. As you, Niharika. All good, Geet. Hi, Khushi. Hi, Manas. How are you both? एकदम बढ़िया प्रेम आप बताइए आप कैसे हो फाइन दुबे आई एम ऑल गुड दुबे एंड खुशी So, hi everyone, this is your accounts master teacher, MLA Sheetal Chaudhary. M for multi talented, L for lion hearted, and A for ambitious. And I welcome all my lovely students to our channel, Vedantu Commerce. So, in case you guys are new to our channel, or if you are watching this face for the first time, then please take a moment to hit that red icon. Do subscribe our channel right now. Also, if you haven't marked your attendance yet, अगर अभी तक आपने अपनी attendance mark नहीं करी है, then please do mark your attendance, do like this video and do share it with all of your friends. And Mehak, you got 39 out of 40 in accounts. That's super great. Well done. Mehak, I want the same performance in term 2 as well. ओके गीत वेल डन आपने टाइम पर रिकॉर्डेड सेशन देख लिया हाय विजनरी हाय भजन संध्या ये चैप्टर कितना इंपॉर्टेंट है ये चैप्टर बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है बिकॉज द वेटेज इज 8 मार्क्स तो अगर कोई चैप्टर 8 मार्क्स का है तो समझ जाओ कि वो कितना इंपॉर्टेंट है So, as you all know, this is Udaan batch 2.0. We all are ready to take the Udaan. हम सब उड़ने के लिए तैयार हैं. So, this is class 11th accountancy session and the name of the chapter that we are going to learn is Bills of Exchange. ये चैप्टर कब तक खत्म हो जाएगा ये लास्ट सेकंड क्लास है बस एक और क्लास लेंगे उसके बाद चैप्टर खत्म हो जाएगा तो as you all know we will be first discussing your homework सबसे पहले homework करेंगे so tell me how many of you have done the homework किस किसने homework किया है raise your hands अरे वाह महक 20 out of 20 in UT that's superb महक thank you so much for the love Afia done Upender done Anurag thank you Devil thank you so much for the compliment Done as always, Manas. मैं डिसअपॉइंट हो गया था ऑनलाइन क्लासेस से व्हाट हैपेंड व्हाई डन विजनरी इट्स ओके गीत आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड यू वेलकम महक after this chapter we will do trial balance and rectification Okay guys, so many of you have done the homework. Those who have still not done it, it's okay. We will be discussing it now. So let's look at the question now, which question I have given you in the last class. So here you all can see the question on the screen. The question is, on 1st of January 2016, Neha sold goods for rupees 20,000 to Muskan. Neha sold goods to Muskan for rupees 20,000. And she drew upon her a bill of exchange payable after 2 months. So now, first of all, Neha is the drawer and Muskan is the drawee. Let's make their books. We have to pass the journal entries. Neha is drawer who is selling goods. Muskan is drawee who is purchasing goods. The goods are sold on which date? On 1st of January. So the entry on 1st January will be Muskan account debit to sales account 20,000. Then Muskan purchased goods. So the entry will be purchases account debit to Neha 20,000. After that, she drew upon a bill of exchange payable after 2 months. We are drawing a bill. So the journal entry will be passed on the same date, 1st of January. BR account debit to Muskan 20,000 and Muskan will accept the bill. Neha account debit to bills payable 20,000. After that, we'll calculate the due date. The bill is drawn on 1st January for 2 months. So after 2 months, the date will be 1st of March. In 1st of March, you will add 3 days of grace. So the due date is 4th of March. What is your due date? It is 4th of March. Now it is said that 1 month before the maturity of bill, 1 month before means on 4th of February. 1 month before means on 4th of February, Muskan approached Neha to accept the payment against the bill at a rebate of 12% per annum. So Neha will accept this order. Neha agreed to request of Muskan and Muskan retired the bill under the agreed rate of rebate. Now we are making the payment. The payment is made 1 month before. So you will calculate the amount of rebate. We have to calculate the amount of rebate. Amount of bill 20,000. Rate 12%. And time left is after 4th February, the time left is 1 month. 12 to 12 cancelled, 0 to 0 cancel. Rebate is 200 rupees. Rebate is 200 rupees. So we'll pass the journal entry on 4th February. We'll pass the journal entry on 4th of February. Bank account debit. Rebate on bill debit to BR. The bill is of 20,000 rupees. The rebate is 200 rupees. So we will receive 19,800 rupees. And well done, Manas, Geet, Neharika, Visionary, Upender, Sarika. Congratulations to all of you. You all are showing great efforts, guys. Keep it up. Shabash, bachcho, shabash. Now, Neha will make the payment. Sorry, Muskan will make the payment. The journal entry will be BP account debit to bank to rebate on bill. She will credit rebate as it is income for her. So amount payable is 20,000, but she received a rebate of 200. So she will only pay 19,800 rupees. This is the entry, and well done again, Geet, Upender, Sarika. Well done, everyone. So this was your homework. Is it clear to all of you? Samajh aaya? Those who have not done it, is it clear now? Super clear. Great, Geet. Super clear, Upender. Yes, Visionary. Yes, Manas. Makhan clear, Sarika. Makhan Visionary. We have to write down narration as well, but I am ignoring it. You have to write it in your exam, otherwise the teachers will definitely deduct some marks. Now coming on to today's lecture, that is retirement of renewal of bill. तो आज का टॉपिक क्या है? Renewal of bill. Now what is renewal, guys? Renewal का मतलब क्या होता है? तो चलिए, let me explain the meaning of renewal. So are you all ready for this renewal of bill? Are you ready for this session to learn a different term? Yes or no? Super ready. Okay. Yes, we will also do that. We will do that in the next class, Manas, for sure. Insolvency of drawing, insolvency of acceptor. Don't worry. So, chaliye, let me take an example to explain you the meaning of renewal of bill. On 15th of January, A drew a bill on B for 3 months. So A ने B के ऊपर एक bill draw किया for 3 months. So the due date will be 18th of March, guys. The due date will be 18th of April, sorry. Now, on 18th of April, B is unable to make the payment. On the due date, B is unable to make the payment. Now, either the bill will get dishonored, or B may ask some extra time. B क्या कहेगा? मुझे और कुछ दिन की मोहलत दे दो, मुझे और कुछ दिन का टाइम दे दो. So what actually happened? On 18th of April, B asked more time. So on 18th April, B went to A and he asked to make a new bill for 1 more month. उसने बोला मुझे 1 महीने का और टाइम दे दो, मैं आपके सारे पैसे वापस दे दूंगा. So he has to make a new bill for 1 more month. अब A will ask, why should I make this new bill? Why? क्यों करूं मैं न्यू बिल ड्रॉ? मैं तो नहीं कर रहा. तो B ने बोला, you may charge some interest for this service. You may charge what? You may charge some interest for this service. आप मुझसे क्या ले लेना? थोड़ा सा इंटरेस्ट ले लेना. और क्या करोगे? Now A agrees to make a new bill. So this is known as renewal of bill. When drawee is unable to make the payment, he will ask the drawer to cancel the old bill. He will ask the drawer to cancel the old bill and draw a new bill. Draw a new bill. So what will happen? First, drawer will cancel the old bill. First, drawer will cancel the old bill. Thus, you have to pass entry of dishonor. आपको कौन सी एंट्री पास करनी पड़ेगी? डिसऑनर वाली एंट्री पास करनी पड़ेगी बिकॉज द बिल इज गेटिंग कैंसल्ड. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, ड्रॉर विल पास the entry for dishonor as he is cancelling the old bill. Second, what he will do is drawer will charge some interest. Drawer will charge some interest. अब यहां पे ना दो केसेस है. Let me take two cases now. To explain it in a better manner, let me explain you two cases. आपको पुराना बिल कैंसिल हो गया. The first step is the old bill was of 30,000 rupees. The old bill of 30,000 is cancelled. Now there are two cases बेटा. यहाँ पर दो cases है. Drawee is making some payment. Drawee is making some payment like 10,000 he is paying and he is asking to make the new bill for 20,000. He is asking to make the new bill for the balance 20,000. उसने कुछ पैसा तो कैश में दे दिया. उसने बोला चलो आप बिल कैंसिल कर दो, प्लीज कैंसिल दी ओल्ड बिल एंड आई एम गिविंग 10,000 इन कैश. द न्यू बिल विल बी ड्रॉन फॉर द बैलेंस 20,000. द सेकंड केस इज ड्रॉई इज नॉट पेइंग एनीथिंग. ही इज नॉट पेइंग एनीथिंग. उसने कुछ पे नहीं किया. सो द न्यू बिल will be drawn for the entire amount, that is 30,000. So new bill will be drawn for the entire amount 30,000. अब यहाँ पे when you will calculate interest in the second step, when you will calculate interest in the second step, interest will be calculated on the amount of new bill. Interest will be calculated on the amount of new bill. So in this case, interest will be calculated on 20,000 and in this case, interest will be calculated on 30,000. तो न्यू बिल कितने अमाउंट के लिए ड्रॉ हो रहा है वो आपको देखना पड़ेगा क्योंकि इंटरेस्ट विल बी कैलकुलेटेड ऑन दी न्यू बिल ओनली. एंड इंटरेस्ट आइदर ही विल पे इन कैश. ड्रॉई विल आइदर पे दी इंटरेस्ट इन कैश or will include it in the new bill. या तो वो उसको साथ की साथ पे कर देगा, जो ड्रॉई है वो इंटरेस्ट या तो साथ की साथ पे कर देगा, और ही विल आस्क द ड्रॉर टू इंक्लूड द इंटरेस्ट इन द न्यू बिल. इंटरेस्ट कैसे कैलकुलेट करना है? इंटरेस्ट आपको गिवन होगा, इट वोंट बी कैलकुलेटेड. इंटरेस्ट कैलकुलेट नहीं होता है, इंटरेस्ट आपको गिवन होगा. अगर कैलकुलेट करना होगा देन इट विल बी सेम एज रिबेट एंड डिस्काउंटिंग चार्जेस, बट इट विल बी गिवन फॉर 90%. So this is the process of renewal. First you have to cancel the old bill, then you have to see that which case is given, if the drawee is making any payment or not, because we have to calculate the interest on the amount of new bill, and the interest will be either paid in cash at same time or it will be included in the new bill. So is it clear, guys? Yes or no? Upender, Geet, Prem, Devil, Aditya, Shagun, Manas, Niharika, Sarika, Afia. Is it clear to everyone? Yes, Visionary. Yes, Manas, you're absolutely correct. First entry of dishonor, then interest, and then the new bill. Pinni ke laddu clear. Okay. So now let's jump to the theory part. अब चलते हैं theory part पे. What is written in the theory on the slides? Same thing is written. Sometimes it may so happen that the drawee realizes that he is unable to pay the amount. उसको एकदम से याद आया, अरे मैं तो पेमेंट ही नहीं कर पाऊंगा ड्यू डेट पे. He एकदम से realizes that I won't be able to make the payment. So at that time what he will do? In this case, he may request the drawer. He will go to drawer to cancel the old bill. वो कहेगा please old bill को cancel कर दो ना. So when the drawer agrees to it, he cancels the old bill and draw a new bill along with the amount of interest. वो नया bill draw तो कर देगा, लेकिन क्या लेगा? पैसा लेगा, interest लेगा. And this process of cancelling the old bill and making a new bill is known as renewal of bill. So this was the theory part, guys. Now coming on to the next part, that is journal entries. Yes, beta, bolo, devil. Only if it is related to the session. उसको चार्ज कह सकते हैं, बट यहाँ पर यू हैव टू यूज द सिंगल टर्म इंटरेस्ट. आपको यहाँ पर सिर्फ इंटरेस्ट लिखना है. बोल उसको कुछ भी सकते हैं, फीस भी बोल सकते हैं, चार्ज भी बोल सकते हैं, बट इन अकाउंट्स इट इज ओनली यूज्ड एज इंटरेस्ट. तो चलिए अब आई है एक्टिविटी, अब जर्नल एंट्री के बारे में. उससे पहले भी कुछ समझ लेते हैं. नाउ the drawee, this I have told you in two cases. मैंने दो cases बताए थे. Drawee may pay some part of the amount, like he paid 10,000 and the bill was drawn for the remaining amount. So this is the first case. The drawee may pay some amount of the old bill and accept the fresh bill for the balance amount 20,000. तो ड्रॉई क्या कर सकता है? वो कुछ पैसा आपको कैश में दे देगा और बाकी पैसे के लिए नया बिल ड्रॉ हो जाएगा. They will fast. I may increase my speed, but not all the students have same catching power. मैं समझाना चाहूँ तो मैं 2 मिनट में टॉपिक समझा के खत्म कर सकती हूँ, बट सारे बच्चों की कैचिंग पावर एक जैसी नहीं होती. Also, he has another option to either pay the amount of interest in cash. He may pay the interest in cash or include the amount of interest in the new bill. तो या तो वो इंटरेस्ट कैश में दे देगा या उसको भी क्या करेगा, नए बिल में ऐड करा देगा. Now coming on to the most important thing, the amount of new bill. How you will calculate the amount of new bill? So this is a formula that is important. Amount of old bill minus if any cash is paid out of old bill. अगर कुछ पैसा उसने पे कर दिया है, that will be subtracted, plus interest amount if not paid in cash. अगर इंटरेस्ट उसमें कैश में पे नहीं किया है, then interest will be added. No, it isn't lagging, Kajal. Please check out your network. Okay, I'll try to work on it, Devil. So this is how you will calculate the amount of new bill. Amount of old bill minus any amount if already paid, add interest if it is not paid in cash. And now coming on to the most important part, that is journal entry. So are you guys ready to learn the journal entries of this concept? Yes or no? If yes, then give me a thumbs up in the chat box quickly. Thank you, Visionary. This means the world to me. Thank you so much. Ready, guys? But you haven't liked the video yet. I can see not everyone had marked their attendance. Not everyone had liked the video. So what are you waiting for? It will only take a second. So come on, go and hit the like button. Go and press the thumbs up icon quickly. Do show some love. इतना तो बनता है like करना. Okay, now I will get this up here because this is the most important part of the session, that is journal entries. Now I want all of you to be very attentive, but I want one more slide, so let me add that. So we are doing what? Journal entries. This is a drawer. This is a drawer. First of all, drawer sold goods to drawee. Drawer sold goods to drawee. The journal entry will be drawee account debit to sales. And drawee is purchasing goods, so entry will be purchase account debit to drawer. This is the entry for purchases and sales. After that, the bill will be drawn. So BR account debit, bill receivable account debit to drawee, and bill will be accepted. So drawer account debit to bills payable to BP. अब क्या हुआ? Now what happened? Drawee is asking drawer to renew the bill. ड्रॉई ड्रॉर के पास गया और बोला, भाई प्लीज बिल रिन्यू कर देना, पुराने बिल को कैंसिल कर दे और एक नया बिल ड्रॉ कर दे. नाउ व्हेन द बिल इज रिन्यूड, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल द ओल्ड बिल इज कैंसिल्ड. You will pass the entry for dishonor first of all. Now, what is the entry for dishonor? The entry for dishonor is drawee account debit to BR. if the bill is retained till the date of maturity, or drawee account debit to bank if the bill is discounted with the bank, or drawee account debit to endorsee if the bill is endorsed to the creditor, or drawee account debit to bill sent for collection if the bill is sent to the bank for collection. तो ये एंट्री होगी डिसऑनर की. First you will cancel the old bill. The journal entry will be either drawee to BR, or drawee to bank, or drawee to endorsee, or drawee to bill sent for collection. Yes, Prem, dishonor में opposite entry हो जाएगी only in the first case when the bill is retained till the date of maturity. And the entry in the books of drawee will be same in all the cases. It will be bills payable account debit to noting charges, if any, noting charges debit to drawer. Only one entry will be passed, and this will remain same in all the cases. Mehak, if you want to know the meaning of endorsee and endorsement, we have done this session briefly in 5th or 6th session, so please do watch that class. So we are cancelling the old bill, and this is the journal entry for dishonor. Noting charges because the bill got dishonored, na Prem? You can again see this why noting charges in the separate session of dishonor. I have explained this properly in the class of dishonor. Sorry Mehak and sorry Prem, I can't explain these terms right now in brief as we have already discussed them before. They can't be explained in short because I will need a proper example to explain it. Now, second, we will pass the journal entry for interest. We will pass the journal entry for interest. Drawer is receiving interest. So, for drawer, it is income. It will be credited. Drawee is paying interest. So, for drawee, it is expense and hence it will be debited. It's okay, Mehak. No worries. In the books of drawer, interest will be credited. In the books of drawee, interest will be debited. Now, if it is received in cash, the journal entry will be cash account debit to interest. If it is received in cash, the entry will be cash account debit to interest, interest account debit to cash. But if it is included in the new bill, if it is not paid in cash, if it is included in the new bill, then the journal entry will be drawee account debit to interest. Drawee account debit to interest and interest account debit to drawer. Interest account debit to drawer. So we have to pass any of one. Either it will be paid in cash or it will be included in the new bill. So these are the entries for interest. And last but not the least, later on we will draw the new bill. Yes, Manas, यही entry होगी. So later on, draw the new bill, and we know what is the entry for the BR. What is the entry when the bill is drawn? The entry is BR account debit to drawee and drawer account debit to BP. So this is the entry when the new bill is drawn. Now tell me, is it clear to everyone? ये सारी एंट्रीज समझ में आई? Within class will get over approx at 8:10. Drawee account debit to interest. Yes, it is right entry. Interest is your income and it is receivable from drawee. Drawee is your debtor and hence he is debited. Drawee account debit to interest. It is absolutely correct, Manas. If the interest is included in the new bill, only then, Geet, you will add it in the amount of new bill. But agar if you have received the interest in cash, अगर आपको interest cash में मिल चुका है already, then you will not include it in the new bill. So it's depend कि आपने interest cash में लिया है या नए bill में include किया है. अगर नए bill में include किया है तभी bill की amount में वो add होगा. अगर आपने ऑलरेडी इंटरेस्ट कैश में ले लिया है देन इट वोंट बी एडेड. यस प्रेम, आप वेदांतु पे हमसे वॉइस चैट भी कर सकते हैं. हम आपको अनकैम हम आपको देख भी सकते हैं एंड आपको अनम्यूट भी कर सकते हैं. रौनक सर प्लीज ब्लॉक दिस नितिन डिमरी. Great, Mehak. So I hope that these journal entries are clear to everyone. So let me show you the journal entries. Here you can have a look. First, we have passed the entries for cancellation of old bill. First, we are cancelling the old bill. The journal entry is drawee to BR, BP to draw. Then we have passed the entries for interest. Drawee to interest, interest to draw. And then we have drawn the new bill, BR to drawee, draw to BP. And I have explained you this thoroughly. मैंने जितने भी cases थे renewal के, I have explained all of them to you. देख सकते हैं, yes, you are surprised, but we can see you. Not all the time, only when we wants to see. That's why we have blocked him, Mehak. Okay guys, so it's time to solve question now. It's time to apply these concepts to the question. So are you all ready for the question part? Yes or no? Devil, you may please pay attention on the session. Please class पे ध्यान रखो. इसकी बाद में बात करते हैं. Absolutely correct. Wave means whiteboard, audio, video environment. Ready for questions? चलिए चलते हैं question की तरफ. Here we have your question, a good one. So, let me see, we have a blank screen or not. Okay. So I will get invisible. On February 1, 2017, Ravi sold goods to Mohan for rupees 18,000. So there are two parties. Ek minute. बेटा नितिन आप फालतू के क्वेश्चंस पूछ रहे हो, दैट इज irrelevant at this time. I am explaining you an important topic and you are asking irrelevant questions, so we have to block you. Ravi is drawer and Mohan is a drawer. So first of all, the goods are sold on 1st February. The entry will be Mohan account debit to sales. Well done, Sarika. Well done, Geet. Mohan account debit to sales, how much? 18,000, 18,000. And Mohan is purchasing goods. So entry will be purchase account debit to Ravi. How much? 18,000 and 18,000. After that, 3,000 were paid by Mohan immediately. He paid 3,000 immediately. So entry will be Ravi account debit to cash. How much? 3,000, 3,000. And Ravi received the same. Ravi को पैसा मिला होगा. Cash account debit to Mohan. 3,000, 3,000. Well done, Jishnu, Upender, Sarika, Geet. Well done, guys. Great efforts. Keep it up. Then the next line is, and for the balance, he accepted 3-month bill drawn upon him by Ravi. So the bill is drawn for the balance for 3 months. So on 1st February, we are drawing the bill BR account debit to Mohan. Kitna bacha? 18,000 minus 3,000 is 15,000. And Mohan will accept it. So Ravi account debit to bills payable 15,000, 15,000. This is the bill drawn. Now we have to calculate the due date. On 1st of February, the bill is drawn for 3 months. So it will be March, April and May. So the date is 1st of May. In 1st May, you will add 3 grace days. It will be 4th of May. It will be 4th of May. Now, on the date of maturity, Mohan, your drawee, requested Ravi to cancel the old bill and draw a new bill for a period of 2 months. So on the due date, on 4th of February, he is asking to cancel the old bill. So we'll pass the journal entry on 4th May now to cancel the old bill. So you will pass the reverse opposite entry. Mohan account debit to BR 15,000, 15,000. Well done, Manas. BP account debit to Ravi 15,000, 15,000. This is the entry for the cancellation of old bill. Then क्या बोला है? Then it is said that he further agreed to pay interest in cash to Ravi at 12% per annum. He will pay interest at 12% per annum. We have to calculate interest now. Amount of bill 15,000. The new bill is drawn for 15,000 multiplied by rate of interest 12%, and the new bill is drawn for 2 months. The new bill is drawn for 2 months. So your interest will be 300 rupees. कितना आएगा बच्चों interest? 300 rupees. So it is paid in cash. So you will pass the journal entry. Cash account debit to interest 300, 300. And he will pay interest. So interest account debit to cash 300 and 300. And after that, we will draw the new bill. We will draw the new bill. So on 4th May, we are drawing the new bill. BR account debit to Mohan. And the bill will be of only 15,000. You will not add interest in this because it is received in cash. Bill is only drawn for 15,000. And he will accept the bill. So it will be Ravi account debit to BP. Ravi account debit to bills payable 15,000, 15,000. Well done, Sarika, Manas, Jishnu, Geet. Great, guys. Also, it is mentioned that the new bill was met on maturity. The new bill was met on maturity. So, the new bill is drawn on 4th May for 2 months. So, 4th May plus 2 months, it will be 4th of August. It will be 4th of August, June, July. Okay, it will be 4th of July. In 4th July, you will add 3 days. So the maturity date of the new bill is 7th July. What will be the maturity date of new bill? It will be 7th of July. So on 7th of July, Ravi will receive money, cash or bank debit. Cash or bank debit to BR 15,000, 15,000, and Mohan will make the payment BP account debit to cash or bank 15,000, 15,000. So these are all your journal entries. How many entries we have passed? 5 and 2, 7. Now tell me, is it clear to everyone? Sabko samajh aaya ye question? Is the topic clear? Clear, visionary. Yes, Mehak. Super clear, Manas. Yes, Upender. You're welcome, visionary. Yeah, Anurag. Makhan clear, Sarika. Shagun, leave it, beta. It's not a cup of your tea. There's nothing like BPM, CDR in commerce. अच्छे से समझ आया, मजा भी बहुत आया. ग्रेट. मजा आएगा तो समझ आएगा. So here we have the solution now. You can see the solution. One entry. These two entries are combined 3, 4, 5. So we have passed total 5 entries. And similarly, these are the books of Mohan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So these are all your entries. And with this, we have completed your session. So if you guys want to attend more such classes with me, अगर आपको ऐसी और classes मेरे साथ attend करनी है, if you want to solve more such questions of this chapter with me, or if you are facing any of these problems, like you are having doubts, or you are having no conceptual clarity, कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है, or you want more questions and more assignments, or you are lagging behind in your syllabus, then you all can join us at Vedantu. You can join Vedantu's live and interactive courses where I will be teaching you the entire syllabus of term 2 with high level quizzes. We will be having live online classes with high level quizzes. Also, you can ask all your doubts and we will solve them instantly. तुरंत आपके सारे doubts answer करेंगे हम. Then, thank you Mehak, thank you so much. Then we will be covering the entire syllabus at Vedantu with the help of topic-wise assignments. At the end of every session, we will be providing you assignments. So you will be getting topic-wise assignments, handwritten notes, as well as we will provide you thousands of micro courses at your fingertips for absolutely free. Yes, you can take a trial for 15 days, but if you will use my code SCPRO, you will get 30 days trial instead of 15 days. You will get extra 15 days trial by using our code. So, guys, this is the price for your Pro Lite, that is 11,699 for the entire term 2 syllabus for all these subjects. In this course, all these subjects are included and the entire term 2 syllabus is included. So now you must be thinking that what is the difference between Pro Lite and Pro Classic? दोनों के बीच में क्या फर्क है? So in Pro Lite, you can only ask doubt during the class. But if you want to ask doubt on mobile app, if you want to ask doubt in midnight, in early morning, then you can ask doubt on mobile app as well. We teachers are there on mobile app. You can post your doubt and we'll solve it. We'll send your answers. So doubt solving on mobile app is not available in Pro Lite. It is only available in Pro Classic. So this is the difference between Pro Lite and Pro Classic. In Pro Lite, you cannot ask doubt on mobile app, but in Pro Classic, you all can ask it. Now, in both the courses, you will be getting live interactive classes, test series and analysis, assignments and notes. And these are the prices for the entire term 2 syllabus. The prices of Pro Lite is 11,699 for Pro Lite. And the prices for Pro Classic are 13,499. Let me show you this on the website. So what you have to do is you have to go to the description box. This is the class going right now. Below this class, you have the description box. You can see this. And there is the link. Avail all exciting Vedantu offers by clicking on the link CBSE Commerce Term 2 Full Syllabus. So this is the link. Tap on the link and you will come to our website. This is our website from where you can purchase all our courses. Then you have to scroll down. When you will scroll down, the exact same page will appear. So here you can see the prices of Pro Lite is 11,699 for the entire term 2 syllabus. And if you want to take a trial for 15 days, then you have to pay 899 for all the 4 subjects. This is the fees for all the subjects. And if you will use my code, you will get 30 days trial at same price 899. So yes, you have to pay for trial as well. Similarly, you can enroll yourself for Pro Classic. The Pro Classic prices are 13,499 for the entire term 2 syllabus. And if you are taking a trial for 15 days, then it costs 1170 rupees. So go to the link in the description box. This is the link. When you will click on the link, you will come to our page from where you can buy our complete course at this website, by website, through debit card, credit card, ATM card, any payment method. And if you want flat 10% discount, अगर आपको 10% discount चाहिए, then you can use our code, that is SCPRO. So use our code for extra 15 days trial. For extra 15 days trial and for flat 10% discount. So now, as I know that you all are waiting for homework like good students, so here we have your homework. Geet, ye hai aapka homework. So you have to solve this question, and I will be asking you the answers in the next class with the last class of this chapter. So now only one topic is left. एक ही topic बचा है. The name is insolvency of drawing. So that's it for today, guys, and I'll see you all with the next class now, insolvency of drawing. So it will be on Wednesday at 9 p.m. So stay tuned, everyone, and you all can join my live and interactive classes. If you want to attend more such live sessions with me, if you want to solve more questions with me, then here you have the solution. And don't forget to use my code SCPRO to get extra 15 days trial. Yes, you have to pay for trial, Mehek. You have to pay 899 for all the 4 subjects. You're welcome, Upender. You're welcome, Visionary. The next class will be on Wednesday. So if you guys are new to our channel, or if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, then please do subscribe our channel for more such live classes. If you want to attend more such live classes at YouTube with me, then do subscribe it and do like and do share this video. Now we'll see you all in next class on Wednesday at same time. Till then, stay home, stay safe, and take care of yourself. Don't go outside because Corona is sitting there. So now thank you so much, guys. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Mehek, Upender, Manas, Anurag, Upender, Geet, Sarika, Visionary. Thank you, everyone, for joining this session and making it wonderful for me. Now we'll see you all in the next class. Till then, bye-bye, good night, and have sweet dreams.